the prioress, the wife of Bath, and quite early in the prologue, in the description of the young squire. Now, Chaucer describes the prioress in such a manner, Chaucer, the poet pilgrim, describes the prioress in such a manner as though he himself is in love with that lady. And the prioress, to speak more truly, is more a court lady than an ecclesiastical figure. The palpable sweetness, tenderness of the prioress is contrasted with the wife of Bath, another woman character, another female figure in the pilgrim, in the prologue to the Canterbury Tales. And in fact, Chaucer brings out different contrasts among the characters. Monk and the friar are contrasted with the person of a town. They are also contrasted with the clerk of Oxenford. And in the description of all these characters, we notice Chaucer's excellent and deft handling of them. In the concluding section of my lecture, I would rather request you to arrive at certain generalized observations about Chaucer's sort of characterization. For example, Chaucer's characters in the prologue are static, but they are graphically introduced to the readers. They are presented with unmistakable touches of verbal irony. On the whole, we, the modern readers, almost always identify ourselves with the pilgrims of Chaucer, because Chaucer's pilgrims never confine themselves to the specific geographical, historical, and cultural spaces, but they overcome the temporal and spatial barriers in order to be with us and amongst us.